Guys, Alex again from My Lens Ball. Today we are going to unbox what we call a photography prism or a light prism. I've had quite a few people DM me asking for, to talk about what this triangular prism is, what it looks like, so I thought I'll just do an unboxing. So let's get her open. So it comes, this is actually a double pack. You can buy it in 15 centimeters, which is the standard size, and then we go 18, 20. There is also a new miniature 10 centimeter size as well. This person's opted for a double pack, so they've gone for two 15s. So you'll see here. Be good if it's not upside down. There we go. So there's our outer sleeve that comes, and the gift box, and then when you open it up, you'll see we have a nice cleaning cloth. These are the type of cleaning cloths we do. We usually do the blue or a slightly grey gum cleaning cloth, and then we've got nicely packed in the custom foam, but you'll see they've wrapped in a nice little soft paper just to keep the prism safe. But you'll see that's basically what the prism is. It's quite it's a really interesting device.